What makes the Nothing CMF Phone 1 a game changer in smartphones? Nothing is a tech company known for its creative thinking and experimental methods. Their designs are marked by a focus on simplicity and beauty with the goal of smoothly incorporating technology into daily life. Nothing earphones that are well known for their style and quality gained popularity when the Nothing Ear 1 earbuds were introduced. Their dedication to creating goods that are both aesthetically pleasing and effective is demonstrated by these earbuds. With the release of the Nothing CMF Phone 1, Nothing is now poised to create ripples in the smartphone market. This new smartphone's distinctive combination of colors, materials, and finishes promises to revolutionize design norms. Customers are looking forward to a gadget that will mix cutting-edge technology with a unique design that will make it stand out in the crowded tech industry of today. The release of the Nothing CMF Phone 1 has created a great deal of enthusiasm and anticipation among both consumers and tech aficionados. Expectations for this new smartphone are high because Nothing has a reputation for exceptional quality and inventive design. Those searching for a gadget that not only performs superbly but also shines out aesthetically have been drawn in by the promise of distinctive color combinations, high-quality materials, and sophisticated finishes. Speculation about how Nothing will once again alter smartphone design norms is growing as teasers and previews start to circulate. This excitement is a reflection of a deep curiosity about how, in the present era, technology may combine remarkable visual appeal with usefulness. Color, material, and finish, or CMF for short, are important factors in product design in a variety of industries, including cell phones. CMF describes how colors are combined, what materials are utilized in production, and how finishes are applied to a product surface. It includes all aspects of the gadget, such as the colors used to decorate it, the durability and feel of its materials, and the surface treatments that improve both its visual and tactile aspects. CMF is vital for creating products that are both visually appealing and functional. The choice of colors can evoke emotions and align with brand identity, while materials impact the product's durability, weight, and texture. Finishes, such as matte or glossy, affect how light reflects off the surface, influencing the product's perceived quality. By carefully balancing CMF elements, designers can enhance usability, user experience, and overall aesthetic appeal. CMF has a big impact on how customers perceive and distinguish products in the cutthroat smartphone industry. A smartphone with a strong CMF strategy will stand out from the crowd thanks to its distinctive look and luxurious feel. Colors and materials can influence consumer preferences by communicating ideas of luxury, robustness, or innovation. Additionally, CMF enables organizations to appeal to particular market segments with unique design aesthetics by accommodating a range of tastes and preferences. Nothing as a company embraces a philosophy of minimalism and elegance in design. They believe in stripping away unnecessary complexity to focus on what truly matters, creating intuitive and aesthetically pleasing products that seamlessly integrate into users' lives. Their approach is rooted in innovation, constantly pushing boundaries to redefine conventional norms in technology and design. Nothing places a strong emphasis on simplicity and elegance in their products. This is evident in their design choices, where clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and premium materials come together to create a sense of sophistication. By prioritizing user-centric design principles, Nothing ensures that their products not only look sleek, but also function seamlessly, enhancing user experience without unnecessary clutter. The Nothing Ear 1 earphones are a prime example of an effective design implementation by Nothing. Cutting-edge technology and an eye-catching style are combined in these earbuds, which have a unique, transparent design that reveals the inner workings of the device. The Ear 1 earbuds have received positive reviews for their comfort, unique design, and sound quality. This has established a standard for Nothing's upcoming product releases. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 offers a number of cutting-edge features that are sure to enthrall customers. With its distinctive combination of premium parts and state-of-the-art technology, it promises an unparalleled smartphone experience. Important characteristics consist of innovative design. It distinguishes itself in the industry with its distinctive CMF approach, coupled with advanced features such as under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, proximity sensor, and compass. Advanced camera system. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 is outfitted with cutting-edge camera technology, including a 50MP f1.8 wide-angle lens with PDAF for crisp and detailed images. complemented by a 2MP f2.4 depth sensor to enhance portrait photography. Strong performance, boosted by software optimized for seamless multitasking and gaming, and powered by the latest CPUs, the Nothing CMF Phone 1 delivers impressive performance benchmarks. Immersive display, featuring an AMO LED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz, HDR10+ support, and brightness ranging from 500 nits to 2000 nits. The 6.67-inch screen of the Nothing CMF Phone 1 offers a bright and immersive visual experience. Ideal for both productivity tasks and multimedia consumption, its 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution and 20:9 aspect ratio ensure crisp detail and vibrant colors, enhanced further by an always-on display feature. The CMF Phone 1's colors, materials, and finishes have all been carefully selected to produce an eye-catching look. It offers original and striking color selections that capture Nothing's particular design aesthetic, uses premium materials to increase longevity and give the piece an opulent appearance, and enhances grip and comfort while enhancing overall design with the use of matte or glossy surfaces.